Today I am going to talk flipped classroom, a pedagogical approach for 21st century students. Teaching is an art. Integration of technology in pedagogical approach is a common phenomena. 21st century educational world promotes student-centered teaching learning approaches. Flipped classroom is a learning approach. Educationists Jonathan Bergman and Aaron Sam introduced the concept of flipped classroom in the famous book Reach Every Student in Every Class Every Day 2012. The Flipped Learning Network 2014 defined flipped classroom as a pedagogical approach in which direct instruction moves from the group learning space to the individual learning space, and the resulting group space is transformed into a dynamic, interactive learning environment where the educator guides students as they apply concept and engage creatively in the subject matter. Flipped classroom creates an interactive learning environment. It breaks the traditional pedagogical pattern to provide proper learning exposure in the classroom using lecture methods and sharing other learning resources in the classroom at the end of the lesson. Earlier, teachers used to be a master of the class, sharing instructions in a group of students. Flipped classroom shifts the teaching learning process from the group to the individual. Teachers share planning and learning resources, reading material, a specific video, audios, worksheet well in advance with the students. Students gain knowledge and develop comprehension outside the classroom and explore, analyze, practice and apply in the classroom. Flipped classroom works like Bloom's revised taxonomy 2001. In simple words, a student gets proper exposure before the classroom and do problem solving, critical thinking, analyzing and synthesizing in a classroom. When we talk about importance and benefits of flipped classroom provides adequate exposure by sharing learning resources with students in advance before actual classroom teaching learning process. The process of flipped classroom provides ample time, enough time for a student to prepare the topics for the actual classroom because they get learning resources, materials one day ahead. Teachers prepare those materials well in advance and they share those material with the students. It can be video, it can be audios, it can be worksheets, it can be more learning resources, reference books, reference topics, reference content they share in advance. Student go through all those material, prepare notes, learning basic knowledge, basic comprehension about those materials, and next day they come to class, and in the classroom they focus on meaningful activities. They interact with the student, they interact with teacher guides in the classroom. These are various tools which we use in flipped classroom. Flipped classroom provides sufficient time and space for a student to explore and experiment, to practice and analyze and develop comprehensive knowledge on a given topic. Flipped classroom help student to develop critical thinking and higher order thinking skills. So it is time saving also, and it promotes active learning in the classroom. Flipped classroom approach develops better tools to students' knowledge and understanding. Flipped classroom provides opportunity for the teacher to organize appropriate learning activities for developing comprehensive knowledge and maximize learning outcomes. Flipped classroom is a suitable learning approach for the 21st century learners. It explores various tools and techniques of educational technology and integrates in ensuring learning outcomes in the classroom. It maximizes meaningful interaction between teacher and student. It maximizes meaningful interaction between one student to another student in the classroom. It minimizes distraction in the classroom and maximize learning outcomes through student active participation. Flipped classroom is one of the best pedagogical approaches which empowers teacher to engage student rationally, promotes individualized learning, personalized learning, and saves instructional time for organizing meaningful activities, problem solving, and developing cognitive thinking. Final words, technological integration in education is not new to the education world. However, the way teachers take support of technology in developing cognitive thinking skills and higher order thinking skills to maximize learning in the classroom actually makes flipped classroom a unique learning approach. Generally, students appreciate the assistance and collaboration they receive from learning resources they receive from teachers and guidance. The teacher guidance from teacher in flipped classroom is something fantastic. So I think the flipped classroom really help to maximize learning outcomes in the classroom. We find good learning resources through these valuable links. We can explore it.